Today we are going to see how we can make a Wi-Fi antenna at home. Given the current situation, not everyone has internet access or a good internet connection. So let's build a directional Wi-Fi antenna. The first is the protection of the antenna. It can be a tube, a bottle, a box. The idea is that is something plastic that protects the antenna from the web. The second part is the antenna. It is built by wafers, which will be 3 cm apart. The number of wafers must be greater than or equal to 5. The diameter of the wafers should be between 3 and 6 cm. The antenna will be connected to the central pin of the module. The third part is a USB Wi-Fi module. We will need a pen, a compass, duct tape, a roll, USB to USB cable, aluminum foil, scissors, single cable, a USB Wi-Fi module. We fold the aluminum foil into pieces of 8 or more centimeters. We wrap circles of 5 cm in diameter. Cut the circles and group them together. We have 5 wafers. We fold 1 cm of the paper. We fold about 30 times. We cut a cross in the center. We attach the wafers to the shaft. This assembly can be made from any material that is electrically conductive. The ideal material is copper. We insulate the central pin of the motor. We introduce the wireless insert a wire that is make contact with the central pin of the motor. The other end we connect it to the antenna. We install the module drivers. We connect the assembly. We can see the networks and their intensity with the laptop Wi-Fi card. Now we see the networks and their intensity with the assembler. There is a big difference. We will try to see a video in full definition.
Good job! Hello everybody, welcome back to YouTube.tv. ¿Quieres aprender a pronunciar inglés como un auténtico pro? Te vamos a dar 5 pasos, 5 tips para que puedas aprender a pronunciar desde cero hasta nivel súper avanzado. Y además, lo mejor, que te vamos a dar un montón de frases para que practiques y para que repitas. Este va a ser el mini curso definitivo de pronunciación en inglés que, como te digo, es extrapolable a toda la pronunciación del inglés. Alright, are you guys ready? Cool, see you in a minute.
We also tested with a commercial antenna. With the extension cable, we can place the antenna in a place with better reception, in a windows or on the ceiling.